Everyone thinks the best-selling outdoor folding picnic table is automatically the best one. But is that really true? If you look a little closer, the story is actually quite different. Product number 1: Grope Portable Camping Table. First up, we have the Grope Portable Camping Table. This caught my eye not just because of its sleek aluminum design, but also its incredibly low price of just $27.82. If you want a lightweight, easy-to-carry table for your outdoor adventures, this is worth a serious look. The aluminum frame doesn't bend or fall apart easily, and it can be set up in seconds without any tools. Plus, it's available in 3 sizes, so whether you need a small side table or something larger, there's an option for you. With over 700 sold in just the last month, it seems like many people are finding it useful. Now, some people complained about it being too small for larger gatherings. Here's the thing though, if you're looking for something compact for a solo outing or a small group, this won't be an issue at all. Just be mindful of the size before purchasing. This is perfect for you if you're a casual camper or someone who enjoys picnics and needs a lightweight table. Skip this one if you're planning for big family gatherings. At under $30, it's a solid value for its portability and durability. Now, if the size of the Grope table bothered you, this next one takes a completely different approach with adjustable heights. Product number 2: Amped Folding Camping Table. Next, let's talk about the Amped Folding Camping Table, priced at $48.06. This one really stands out because it features adjustable heights, which is something you don't see every day. If you want flexibility in your camping setup, this table is definitely worth considering. The amped table can be adjusted to 3 different heights, accommodating everything from low picnic seating to regular chairs. It supports up to 66 pounds and includes a convenient storage net underneath, which helps you keep small items off the ground. This is great when you want to keep things organized while you're outdoors. Plus, it's lightweight at just 5.7 pounds, making it easy to transport. However, a few reviews pointed out that it can wobble if not on a completely flat surface. Here's the thing, if you're camping in a flat area, this shouldn't be a problem. Just be cautious if the terrain is uneven. This is perfect for you if you're someone who enjoys variety in your outdoor setups and needs a table that can adapt. Skip this if you generally camp in rugged areas. With its features, it's a good value for those who need a multifunctional table. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for stability and size. Product number 3: Bileable Camping Table. Now let's check out the Bileable Camping Table, which retails for $93.59. This one really impressed me with its ability to tackle uneven ground, thanks to its adjustable height legs. If you want a table that's reliable even on tricky terrain, this is worth a look. The Bileable table can support a whopping 150 pounds and is built from premium aluminum alloy. It's waterproof and wear-resistant, so you don't have to worry about spills ruining your day. The best part? It rolls up and folds for easy transport, making it perfect for camping trips or backyard barbecues. With its X-type structure design, it's incredibly stable. Just think of all the food and drinks you can set up without the fear of it tipping. Now, some users mentioned it can be heavier compared to others at 9 pounds. Here's the thing though, if you're prioritizing stability and size, that weight feels justifiable. This is perfect for you if you're serious about camping or outdoor activities and need a strong, reliable table. Skip this if you're looking for something ultra lightweight. It's worth the investment for those who need durability and stability. If you want something lighter but still functional, the next product is right up your alley. Product number 4: Colden Folding Camping Table. Next on our list is the Colden Folding Camping Table, priced at $46.79. What caught my attention with this one was its multi-height feature, allowing you to adjust it to 3 different heights. If versatility is what you're after, this table might just fit the bill. It's lightweight at just 8 pounds but can support up to 70 pounds, which is impressive for a table of its size. This makes it great for both cooking prep and casual dining. Plus, it packs down to a very compact size, so it's easy to store in your car or RV. However, a few reviews did mention that assembly can be a bit tricky at first. Here's the thing, once you get the hang of it, the setup is fast and simple, so don't let that deter you. This is perfect for you if you want a table for different activities during your outdoor trips. Skip this if you're looking for something that requires zero setup. With its adjustable heights and compact design, it's a solid option for the price. Now, if the assembly of the Colden table is a concern, the last product could be a breeze to set up. Product number 5, Amp Trifold Camping Table. Finally, we have the Amp Trifold Camping Table retailing at $71.58. This one stands out with its trifold design, making it extremely portable. If you're looking for something that's easy to carry around, this is definitely worth your attention. This table measures 3 feet when fully set up and can hold up to 66 pounds. It features adjustable legs with 3 height settings, so it can be used for various occasions like picnics, barbecues, or even fishing. The included storage net is a nice bonus, giving you extra space for items, which is super helpful when you're outdoors. A couple of users mentioned that it may require a bit of effort to ensure the table is completely flat when set up. Here's my perspective. As long as you pay attention during setup, this shouldn't be a deal breaker. This is perfect for you if you need a portable solution for outdoor events or gatherings. Skip this if you're planning to use it on very uneven ground. Overall, it's a great value considering its portability and features. To wrap it up, we've covered a range of options from the compact grope table to the robust bileable model. Each of these tables has its strengths and weaknesses, catering to different needs. Whether you prioritize weight, stability, or features, there's a perfect picnic camping table for you. Happy camping!